gathered here in the presence of these witnesses to join William Brett Chambers and Ryan Keith Rhodes together in matrimony.
Getting married means you'll have someone's hand to hold even when you're feeling sick, even when you're feeling old.
It means that when you need some help, someone will help out.
So even though you don't have toys, you don't even have to care. Once you're married, you can be each other's teddy bear.
No union is more profound than marriage, for it embodies the highest ideals of love, fidelity, devotion, sacrifice, and family. Will you, Brett, take Ryan to be your lawful wedded spouse?
I do.
And will you, Ryan, take Brett to be your lawful wedded spouse?
I do.
I, William Brett Chambers, take you, Ryan Keith Rhodes, for my lawful spouse.
For better, for worse, in sickness and in health, until death do us part.
By the power and authority vested in me by the state of Maryland, the District of Columbia, and the Constitution of the United States, I now pronounce you lawfully married, and I invite you to start your marriage with a kiss.
Congratulations!
For the first time ever, Brett and Ryan, partners in love, life, and celebration.
Ryan, I remember the day you told me you planned to tell Brett for the first time that you loved him. I've never seen anyone else look at Brett the way you do, with eyes of intoxicating love and admiration. You laugh at his jokes, appreciate his quirks, and create a safe space for him to exhale. Thank you for loving my friend.
While it breaks my heart that I couldn't be there today in person to hug both Ryan and Brett on their big day, you did a wonderful job. We all felt like we were there with you, sharing in all of your love and happiness.
Please join me in raising a glass to love as we toast the newlyweds. To Brett and Ryan.